Hello everyone, welcome back to channel. Today we will learn how to install WordPress in a cPanel. If you are new to creating websites, you have probably heard about WordPress and cPanel. But what exactly are they and why we are using for this task? We understand that first. So WordPress is a free and widely used platform for your building website without using any coding skills. It is known as a content management system, that is CMS, that helps you to create, manage blogs, with business sites, online stores, and many more things with a simple and user-friendly interface. On the other hand, we use cPanel. It is a web hosting control panel offered by most hosting companies. It provides a dashboard where you can manage your website files, databases, domains, email accounts. All things are in one place. While many hosting providers offer one-click installation of WordPress, but this chart shows you how to install a WordPress manually, that is step by step, with the detail over control, over settings, stronger security, deeper understanding about how your website actually works. So it is perfect for all developers or web developers or tech learners to understand what exactly your website is doing. So let's start. So our first step is we have to download the WordPress uh, for visiting official site, that is wordpress.org. So we will go through this link to download the WordPress. So I will copy this link and search in a web browser, that is Chrome. Here you can see there is a button called Get WordPress. We have to click on it. In the left corner, you can see there is an option called Download and Install it yourself. So there is a latest version of a WordPress, that is 6.8. We have to install this zip file. So here you can see it is downloading. Here you can see our WordPress zip file is downloaded in our downloads folder. Now our second step is we have to upload this WordPress zip file to our cPanel hosting server. For that, we have to log in to our cPanel account. For that, this is my link, that is domainname.com with cPanel. So you can search in a web browser. Here you can see it is asking username and password. We have to provide our credentials for a cPanel account. So I have username here. I will copy this and the same is password. So this also I take here. Now, once our cPanel is open, we have to scroll down here. we have to visit File section. In Files, we have to click on File Manager. So here, we have to download our zip file or extract in our root directory. So our root directory name is public underscore HTML. We have to click on it. So here in the top corner toolbar, you can see there is an option called upload. We have to click on this upload. From this, we have to upload our zip file that is we already installed. So here we can click on select file. So from downloads, we have to select our zip file, click on open. So it is uploading here. So it is uploaded 100%. So now we will go back to our root directory. So here we have to extract all the files, all the contents in the WordPress zip file. So click on file, right click. Here you can see the option that is extract. Click on it. Give the permission that is extract file. So this is the folder, WordPress folder. In that all content is present or related to WordPress. So open it. Now we have to move this all content in a root directory that is public HTML. So we have to do that. Here you can see in a toolbar there is an option called select all. We have to click on it. Now here there is an option called move. We have to click on it. Here our all related WordPress related content is present in public HTML and another folder called WordPress. We have to remove this WordPress and we have to move to our root directory. For that, we have to remove our name, that is a folder name WordPress, and move to the root directory. So click on move file. So here all content is moved to the root directory, that is public HTML. So to see that, here there is an option called up one level. So you can click on it. You can see all the contents are moved to the root directory, that is public HTML. So this is now empty folder. We have to remove this folder. So just click on file. Here you can see the option called delete. Just click on it and give the permission that is confirm. Also, we don't need this file because we expect all the content inside WordPress. So we also delete this zip file for more space or more structured data to understand. This also we can delete from here. So click on delete and give the permission as a confirm. Now our space is free to install new things. Now our second step is completed. That is, we upload our zip file and also extract all the contents from a zip file to our root directory, that is public HTML. Now we will see what is the next step. So now we have to create a database to our WordPress site to store all related data that is inside the WordPress. To do this, we have to go to cPanel. Here, in the tools, we have to scroll down. You can see there is a section called databases. In a hosting, if you are using newer version, in that you can see many options are present. That is MySQL, PHP, MyAdmin. So for my hosting, there is a option called Manage My Databases. So I click on it. Here we have to create a new database. For that, there is a text box is present. We have to provide name for our data lake. For provide VGA database, you can give as per your preference and simply create database button is present. You have to click on it to create the database. So you can see there is a confirmation message is displayed. So you can copy this database name for future use. Then go back. So our database is created. Now we have to create a user for that database. For that, we have to scroll down. Here you can see database user section. In that, we have to provide a user to give the name to the user. And also you can generate the password from here. There is an option called password generator button. From here you can access the password. Just click on generate password. It will generate a strong password for you. And also you can here from advanced option you can create by own. So I will copy from here. So click on use password. So it will paste in password and password again option. So this also I save in so just click on create user. This also I will save. Just click on create user. Now you can see our user is also created. So save this name because we need afterwards this username and password. Now we have to go back. Now we created our new database for our WordPress and we also created a new user for our database to access. Now we have to give the permissions to our database and as well as user. To do this, we have to first add the user to database. For that, there is an option called add user to database. So here you can see from drop down, you can see there is a newly created user that is VGA user and from here with from drop down from database, here you can see newly created database. So our database name is VGA database. So select that and here you can see there is a button called add button. Just click on add button. Here you can see user privileges are present. So we have to provide all the privileges to our database and as well as user. So select this checkbox. Just uncheck this drop option because we have for security purpose we have to uncheck this drop related option. After doing all the privileges here, you can click on make changes. So here you can see there is a success message is displayed. That is our database user privileges on a database is completed. Now it's time to complete our WordPress installation. Now we will open our domain in a web browser. So I will search my domain name. So here you can see there is an option for searching the preferred language. So I select English. So click on continue button to proceed. Now we have to do the configuration related database for our WordPress. For that, so just click on let's go. Here you can see there is a database related configuration page is open. So we have to provide the database just we created, that is database name, username, password, and we have provided the database host, that is localhost, and we also provide the table prefix that you want to do by WordPress. So give the database name just you created. So I will create the visual database. So I will provide that name. So give the username, that is visual user, and password. So whenever you create the database related activities that store for a future use, that is now it is used. So I will use this password for a user. Just paste here. So I will keep host as a local host. Just click on submit. You can also give table prefix name for your table created. So click on submit button. Now we have to run the installation process to proceed. So just click on this button, that is run the installation. Now our last step is we have to provide our site title. So I will provide the name. So you can provide the username for your accessing the WordPress dashboard. For that purpose, we have to provide the username and password by yourself. So click on username text box. So I will give the name and I will use this password, or you can also keep a new password or just create the strong password here. So I just copy this password and save for future use. For after completion, we have to log into our WordPress dashboard. In that case, we need the password and username. For that, we have to save this password and username. So I will save here this password. Now you can give the here email also. Just click on Install WordPress button. So here you can see WordPress has been installed successfully. So it will provide the username and password that is created. So just click on login option to access your WordPress dashboard. Here you can see we have to provide the credentials that we just created, that is username and password. So I will provide username and password. I will save that. So I will copy from here. I'll provide. Just click on login button. So here you can see your dashboard is displayed. You can also visit your site, that is here from your logo. you can click on Visit Site button. So here you can see the home page of your website is displayed, that is WordPress website. So we have successfully installed WordPress manually using cPanel. While this method takes a little bit more steps to install the WordPress, but it gives your security and more detailed about your WordPress site and also give the understanding how actually works WordPress. So this task is completed and we have successfully installed WordPress in our cPanel web hosting server. Thank you.